Yeah, thank you. My dad just gave him 2 sweet potatoes, whole. And then, excuse you. Welcome to this video. This is not my usual aesthetic at all. Just getting a heads up preparation to become a new year, new me. By the title, you will know that this is bread therapy time. I've been going on a healing process myself. I know I'm saying that in just such a sarcastic way, but I've been going on a journey of healing, processing emotions, figuring out how do I feel right now. For me, baking has always been therapeutic. Baking bread boosts my mood, and eating bread boosts my mood even further. Need I say more? In this video, you'll literally see me in different sides of myself. By that, I mean different emotional sides and also just aesthetic sides. She literally woke up like that, okay? We'll be making focaccia, hoagie rolls, aka sandwich bread, banana bread, which I know is not exactly a bread, okay? But I'm just gonna insert that recipe in this video because I need an explanation for why I look the way I looked, okay? We'll also be making dragonfruit bread. How interesting. And easy no-knead bread. Quick note before we start though, this whole aesthetic is not gonna be what you're gonna be seeing. Just a heads up so you don't be disappointed when you just cut to the next scene and you're like, oh my gosh, it's daytime. Yeah, it was daytime when I baked bread, okay? Because I don't bake bread at midnight. I'm not crazy like that. It used to be. New year, new me. We'll be making focaccia, and at this time my state was just not great, okay? My state was not great. But the focaccia was not bad, just a little too salty. Hi! Holy moly. Today we're gonna make focaccia. Let's get it. Water. There's bugs in my yeast! Don't worry, we got so many packs of these. How much you want? Past few days, I've just not been feeling the utmost. But it's okay. It's part of life. Yeah. 800 grams. Sodium levels high. In it goes. I've let this rise overnight. Same shirt, different day. Oh my gosh. Your name's Frank. How's your life? Yesterday, I know I was feeling down, but you know, every day is a new day, and legit, I woke up this morning feeling so much better. Say hi to Frank. Stretch out our dough. Frank's like the dude in the office that everyone knows, but no one really knows him. Let's make the brine. We're gonna do 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon? Why is lukewarm water called lukewarm? See you in 45. I read the instructions, and after we're done baking, we're gonna brush this with more oil. Yeah. Wow. I'm gonna heat this up in the microwave. That is hot. 45 minutes, done resting. It's still wet on the bottom. Frank, glow up. Wow, it smells so good. It's gonna absorb. That's Frank. That's Frank's bottom. I think we succeeded. Wait, no, you know what? I need to cut into this. It's like soft. Okay, my hands are gross. This is salty. Feel good. Frank, get back in the scene. Yep, we need you. You hear that? Crust approved. Get yourself a solid Frank like that. Solid, but a very nice, warm, and fluffy interior. It do be salty though. How much would I rate this? 7 out of 10. It's good. It's just like, doesn't make my heart skip a beat. I'm sorry, Frank. It's not you, it's me. Now we'll be making hoagie rolls, which I don't even know where that name comes from, but it's like sandwich rolls, and recreating just some sort of memories that I had. I got my coffee right here. Feeling like a very bougie housewife at the moment. I thought about the time I went on this trip and they handed us this like sandwich lunch. It was just like the lamest bread ever, but man, it was so good. So I thought, let's make bread today. Genuinely feel like a mom wearing this. You mix this real quick. Look at that. think I left it a little too long, if I'm honest. Why am I still wearing pajamas? Don't ask. Slightly deflate the dough. Yay. My hand is growing a blister right there because I accidentally mixed too hard. That's our roll. Hello, my children. I let this cool and look at it. This is our bread. You see that? Yeah. What, should I cut it? Should I? Okay. If you were expecting something more satisfying than that, I'm sorry. I was too. Honestly, as a bread, not bad, yo. But definitely not what I was expecting. The kind of crust that I was expecting was like this, okay? It's supposed to look like this, like papery thin. This is a little bit like firmer. This is fairly soft. Okay, this is the inside. Not bad. Kudos. Here, have a bite. I bit that side so you can have a bite from here. Here, have a bite. Yep. Got this recipe from some sort of comments in a YouTube section, and I gotta say, I will make it again for the batter. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're gonna be making banana bread. Except I got this recipe from a comment under this YouTube video. I don't remember what video it was under. Do you know what it says? Wrote in all caps. Please believe me, this is the most amazing banana bread and it requires no eggs or butter. The instructions are quite ambiguous. It just says grease the pan and put in oven. I gotta like leave the house in like 2 hours and I still gotta shower. So lots of things happening. Let's preheat our oven first to 333. Tatsuhiro Matsumoto. If there's a bang from WhatsApp, it's you, okay? So shush. I'm kidding. If this recipe does not turn out as good as it is, I can't go back and attack that comment and say it's not that good. Don't waste your time. Because I don't even know I don't remember where I got it from. I am not okay right now. What if this is fermented? Oh man. Waste not, want not, cut off the top, okay? I'm not too concerned. Ambiguous instructions, ambiguous baker. Also, side note, I feel like I bake a lot, but here's the truth. I'm pretty mediocre at it. I'm like not that great. Olive oil or oil? Oh, olive oil. Good. I feel detached from my arm right now. This is pretty fast. If I were a kid, I'd probably hate me for doing this. You deserve chocolate chips. Why is it so thick? This looks like cookie dough. Yo! I think I'm over mixing. That's real thick. There's no eggs in it. That is so good. This batter is really good. If I ruin this recipe, I will be so sad because I could have had an amazing time eating the batter raw, then baking it and eating into an overmixed dough. These are banana bread. Our banana bread has baked for an hour and I already finished showering, but I'm still wearing pajamas. Don't call me out on it. Just came out of the oven not long ago. Removed it from the pan. Not gonna lie, it feels kind of gummy. Wow, it looks so ugly. The texture feels gummy. Oh, that's our banana bread. I don't know how to describe it. Definitely not the best banana bread ever. Quick and easy though. I mean, it's no butter, no egg. Slightly gummy. I think because I overmixed it. Add chocolate chips because if you mess up, the chocolate chips saves it. That's the case right now. It's a little dense. So I think I overmixed it. Everything else, great. It's just gummy. Still good though. See ya! And this is time for our dragon fruit bread. I've never attempted that before. It's definitely a really cool combination and allowed me to learn the art of going with the flow. I'm making dragon fruit bread today and I don't know why I go off on tangents of making bread. Bread baking tangents be weird, but we're here for the therapy. I came across this Reddit post from a year ago. Insert photo here or here. I never knew that dragon fruit bread existed and it looks like this. I gotta make it. I love dragon fruit. Just a disclaimer. Did I film anything in this shirt? Anyways, I got this shirt from the donation room and it has been my favorite shirt just of all time. Of all time. Just like the thickness of it, there were no instructions, but they did put the recipe measurements. They use a bread machine. Don't worry, we'll manually try to figure out and we'll do guesswork. I don't know why I find attempting things I've never attempted before to be fun. I won't know the outcome of this until everything falls through. Did they miss out the liquid? I have made the executive decision to add more dragon fruit. Bread baking is intuition. I think is quite illuminating on life. We have like a general guideline to life, but sometimes you gotta go with your intuition. Number 2, not all dragon fruits are created the same, and not all people are created the same. That recipe called for 120 grams of dragon fruit, and I needed more. And in life, like the advice that people give you, sometimes when it doesn't work, don't be discouraged. We all want a quick, fast-paced solution, but put your faith and put your hope in something beyond the right now, even if it's hard to see it. Just like I'm kneading this bread right now and it's really tough and I don't really see it going anywhere right now. We have finally managed to make it into my hands. Hi! Sometimes the thing about bread making in life is that when things start falling apart, don't fret. The more you keep at it, you'll see that it's incorporated. For now, this is what it looks like. Pretty cool, pretty shiny. Hi, it's actually the next day. I let my dough rest in the fridge. Didn't rise. Do I still try to make you into bread? Or do I just make you into bagels? Or do I just try to make you into bread and not into bagels? Or do I just try to make you into bagels but not bread? We're gonna go half and half. The thing is, I'm not scared of failure right now because it's already not looking like it's supposed to be. So what's the worst that could happen? We're not gonna take this so seriously. I mean, it doesn't fit right now, but it's okay. These do not look even. Let this rest for 15 minutes and I'm gonna go boil water. I think I accidentally baked them for far too long. Let's look at the bottom. But it's okay, no one looks at the bottom. Hopefully, they pink on the inside. Forgive me for such a artistic parchment paper. Why does it look brown? Is this supposed to be some sort of whole wheat bread right now? No one does this though. No one peels bagels. Pretty good. You just had smartphone. That is good. It doesn't really feel like a bagel. Not chewy enough, but it is good. It is solid. Why is it not pink though? This is what it looks like. It's brown pink. It's finally nighttime. We'll let this rest for multiple hours today. Pretty impressive. It has browned. Wow. Why is it so brown? Quite happy about it. Let this cool overnight. Can't believe this bread has taken like 3 days and I'm still wearing the same shirt. Not too bad. Ooh, texture-wise, it's lighter than the bagel for sure. Peanut butter, banana, jelly. Wow, that's gonna sustain me. I don't know if I have crumbs on my face. That's good. Would I do this again? 1,000 times yes. Looking at that pink dough is so gratifying. 10 out of 10, I would make it again. That is good. We're making easy no-knead bread, which is supposed to be easy. Supposed to be no knead, supposed to be no fuss. Today is one of those days where it's like, so we're gonna be making no knead bread. I don't know why I have 2 bowls on display here, but okay. We need flour, salt, sugar, yeast, water. Done. This is our bread. It's been cooling overnight. It smells amazing. Let me cut into this. Sorry, terrible cutter right now. You can hear my bread heating up in the background. Ooh. It is legitimately so good. Oh, that crunch. I don't know what it is. This bread. This is good. I've made no-knead bread before, but I don't think they've ever made me this happy. There's such a simple happiness with this recipe that I have not gotten from any other recipe. And I don't know if like this bread is essentially better or whatever, but they've not made me this happy. This good. I didn't adjust anything aside from the amount of water. I broke down, okay? I did cry. I was like crying over this bread off camera, thinking that, you know, I had to adjust it and like it was like not gonna be my expectation. It's like the silliest thing, but like that's what happens when your mind's all over the place. I had to like pep talk myself, come in front of God, and I was just like, you know what, like I just need to let go. I just need to learn to let go. Little did I know, this bread has brought so much joy. On its own, So good. Crust crunchy, inside chewy, but also light at the same time. Good bread, perfect bread. Crust great, interior great, so easy. That's it for this video. I hope these recipes have brought some inspiration into your life. Okay, see ya. Sorry, they're so cheesy. What is this? Like, what is this? Bye. Cancel. I'm sweating. But you'll see different sides of me, and this is the time. What am I doing with these hand motions? Like, seriously, what the heck is this? I'm like this tutorial thing. Welcome to the channel. Today will be... What am I doing? I think I probably need to get to bed. Or else I'm probably gonna stay up until 3 a.m., which I don't do anymore. But I'm going through healing right now. Don't question it, please. That's it for this video.